Welcome to Idency's Uni-Ubi UFace 5 Pro User and Registration Guide. In this video, we will show you how to enroll a user onto the UFace 5 Pro using facial recognition, RFID cards, and PIN. We will then demonstrate the clocking in and out process. To get started, approach the UFace 5 Pro and look for the cog icon on screen. Select the cog to access the admin login screen. You will need to enter the preset admin password. This is 12354. Then select Login. To enroll a user, select Personnel Management. When you select New Personnel, the screen will display the UFace camera. If you don't intend to use facial recognition for the user, you can select Skip in the top right-hand side of the screen. If you are continuing with facial recognition, the user must now position their face within the template provided. On successful enrollment, which normally takes just a few seconds, the UFace will signal Face Collection Succeeded. The screen will then display the user information menu. Please now enter a unique ID number for the user, then select Enter. The remaining fields are optional. If you'd like to register an RFID card or tag to the user, you can either select the card field and enter the number that is displayed on the card or tag, or select the card icon on screen. After selecting the card icon, simply hold the card or tag at the bottom of the screen on the terminal where the card reader is, and it will insert the card number in directly. If you'd like to register a PIN number to the user, select the password field and enter a chosen PIN. The PIN must be 6 digits. Then select Enter. Once you have entered the user information, select Next. You will then be asked to select the desired verification modes for the user. If any of the verification modes that are not being used are selected, you will need to deselect them to continue. Now select Save to finish enrolling this user. You can continue enrolling users here by repeating the previous steps, or, if need be, you can modify users that have already been enrolled. Once finished, simply select the back arrow and then the X to exit the admin menu. We are now ready to test if the user you have just enrolled can clock in and out successfully on the Uni-Ubi UFace 5 Pro. To do this, the user will need to approach the UFace 5 screen and select the status for their clock. For clocking in for the day, simply select In on screen. The UFace will then clock the user, displaying the user ID number and clock status, followed by Thank you. To clock using RFID cards, select the clock status, then simply hold the card or tag flat against the bottom of the UFace screen where the RFID card icon is located. To clock using a PIN number, select the clock status, then select the PIN icon in the bottom left of the screen. Enter the user ID number, select Enter, then enter the PIN number and select Enter. Any one of these methods can be used for recording time and attendance with the Uni-Ubi UFace 5 Pro. For more information or to discuss time and attendance with a member of our team, please visit www.idency.com. Thank you for watching.